Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set memory seat in your Mazda CX-30. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, adjust your driver's seat, including the backrest and height, to your perfect driving position. If your vehicle has power mirrors or a head-up display, adjust those too. This ensures all your preferences are captured for a truly personalized setting. Now that your seat, mirrors, and head-up display are perfectly adjusted, it's time to save your first memory position. Find the SET button, usually located on the side of your driver's seat. Press and hold this SET button until you hear a clear beep. Immediately after, within 5 seconds, press and hold memory button 1 until you hear a second beep. Your first position is now saved. You can save a second position for another driver or a different preference. Simply adjust the seat, mirrors, and head-up display to the new desired settings. Once again, press and hold the SET button until you hear a beep. Within 5 seconds, press and hold memory button 2. Alternatively, you can press and hold your key fob's unlock button to link the settings directly to your key. Recalling your saved seat position is incredibly easy. Just press the memory button, either 1 or 2, that corresponds to your desired setting. Your Mazda CX-30 seat, mirrors, and head-up display will automatically adjust to your pre-programmed position, ensuring comfort every time you get in. It's a fantastic feature for multiple drivers or different driving moods. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers, check the description below. We've got some excellent finds to make your life a little easier, so don't miss out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.